I hate animals. Drive me crazy. Please do not move to a farm. I live in a farm and I hate it. I live next to hillbillies and to tell you the truth, all they ever do is drink beer. Oh, those hobos. They are drinking beer right now. If I showed you outside, they would be drinking beers. Beer! As a matter of fact, if I reach right now down there, I bet you I could find a bottle of beer right now. So I'm just gonna reach down. Wait, I'm gonna reach down here. Watch. I will bring up a bottle of beer. Just wait right there. Oh my god. I hate this. Ew, cow poop. I told you I hate farms. Okay. Beer. Oh my god. See, I told you. Why can't I find water bottles or coffee or something? And I also found out that I get their mail here. And yeah, happy birthday to whoever's letter this is, because I got their mail here. And you know what's in the birthday card? I'm not allowed to say those words. And they also killed... Well, let me show you. That's right. They kill children. Or midgets. Very short people. They are murderers. I mean, look at this poor kid. They have treated him very bad. Very, very bad. Those jerks. Shame on them. Okay. Yes. Those must be the cops coming to get them. I better go.